I'm Sheng. I'm part of HR. We've contacted Conflate. We had a very great day today because we didn't expect na everyone will enjoy yung ating activities.
Hi, ako po si Selmar Alvarado, empleyado po ng Xylem. Isa po ako sa naka-experience ng pagpapacilitate ng Conflate. Sa team building na naganap na po na ito po ang isa pong sa kauna-unahang team building na na-experience ko na maganda po ang pagkaka-setup nila bago po kami magsimula at hanggang sa natapos po. Ang mga games nila ay tama lang, hindi po masyado mahirap at hindi po masyado nakakapatig sa mga empleyado at kapupulutan po ng maraming aral.
They really confirmed that your team has done a very good job with this team building. So again, I am happy and I appreciate the time that you have spent with us. So again, thank you very much, Conflate, and I recommend this for our next team building as well. So thank you.